Happy Mother's Day! So there's quite a few different varieties of flowers that will be gifted at Mother's Day. I'm going to start with a floral arrangement. An arrangement of flowers is usually put into some floral foam, and it's in a pot. It could be in a cardboard box or in another container. The trick with keeping these fresh and alive is to turn them around and go to the back. So if you pull the foliage apart at the back and pop your hand in carefully, you'll be able to feel the floral foam and you'll be able to feel if it's wet or dry. So if you need to top it up with a little bit of water, we recommend a little bit of water every day. Gently pull the foliage apart. These watering cans with the fine tips on them rather than a big spray one are much better. A little bit of water. Now I would recommend doing that on the sink or putting it in over a plate. Don't do it on your best table or on the bench in case it drips a little bit, because we don't want water stains. These pots are great, really solid at the bottom and keep everything in nice and tight. Another trick is the water mister. So we recommend a light mist. Now this one has been put on a higher, there we go, that was on a jet. So I'm going to turn that around so that it's just onto a light mist. Same thing, so do this when you're watering. You can do it night and day. Now we always recommend, especially if there's any artificial heating or cooling, that this is done on a regular basis. Roses particularly, the foliage, the softer flowers like the lisianthus, the disbuds, the big chryses. Now over the course of the life of your arrangements, things will start to look a little tired, and so we recommend using a really good pair of snips and coming in and just snipping that off as close to the pot as possible, all the little bits of pieces that are just looking not as fresh as they were at the very beginning. And if you keep doing that and looking after it on a daily basis, you'll get a really good, long, happy life out of your Mother's Day arrangement. Enjoy!